Babies, how you doing?
Good, good.
What you doing?
Playing.
So, how old is Papi?
19?
19.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
40?
A little bit more.
69.
A little bit less.
Um.
Maybe sit there with David, then I can see you, Emily. A little bit less. How much is it then?
17? 17?
A little bit more.
Then what is it?
It's a little bit more. Try to guess.
And what numbers does it have?
What does it start with?
Uh-huh.
I cannot tell you. You have to guess.
A 9 and 0?
No. A little bit less.
A 10? A 10? 10?
A little bit more than 10 years old.
11?
A little bit more than 11. How old is Papi, Emily?
16?
16? A little bit more.
50?
14? 40?
No, 50.
Maybe 50 something? What do you think?
Just check on the blue one.
Maybe, how old am I?
Yeah, tell us.
Nah, you have to guess a little bit more.
10.
I'm 10? Nah, a little bit more.
Your face is 10.
It is? That's cool.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
How old are you, Emily?
3.
And how old are you, David?
5.
And how old is Papi?
6.
Nah, a little bit more.
19.
A little bit more than that.
60.
A little bit less. A little bit less. What is before 60?
19.
Nah,
40.
50 is before 60.
40.
50. It's 40, 50, 60.
What is even number? That's not a number.
I'm somewhere. It's not a number.
No.
Yes, it is a number.
Your space element.
How about it?
You need this for your space element. So
It's a
you
space
can
helmet.
test.
Hey. Where is space?
Away from Earth.
Away from us.
I'm going to deep space.
Where is deep space?
Up.
Really?
Really?
But deep is down.
Yeah.
Deep.
It up.
No, deep is down.
Uh-huh.
Water is deep, and the more down you go, it's more deep.
Yeah, but just go more up.
It doesn't work like that.
I'm going up.
How can it be deep space if it's up?
Because it's gravity.
It's gravity.
Uh-huh.
What does gravity do?
It makes things a little lighter.
Makes things lighter.
Uh-huh.
But what does that have to do with deep space?
We can bounce really high.
Deep cannot be up. If space is up, then deep is down.
Uh-huh, but
So what is deep space then?
up space?
Up space.
Uh-huh. What's this thing?
So what is in space?
Asteroids, planets, and meteors.
Really?
And satellites.
Have you seen them?
Yes.
Hmm.
And then the giant six.
How about it?
Asteroid!
How about it?
Meteor! Satellite!
So who lives up in space?
planets.
And who lives on the planets?
Nobody. Nobody.
You sure about that?
But someone lives on Mars. Alien.
Ah, aliens. They live on the planets.
Yeah. Yeah. But not the moon or Earth or Mercury or the sun.
Who lives on Earth?
People.
Yeah, we live on Earth. Cool. Why don't we live on the moon?
Because there's no gravity on the moon to wake things up.
There's no gravity?
No.
Really?
Really? And we can't eat.
And who is holding up the moon?
Nobody. I can't.
It floats.
Yeah.
What does it float on?
Gravity.
It floats on gravity. Cool.
This is the gravity.
So why did they not put gravity on the moon? What happened there? Was it a mistake? Or?
No. It just floats.
So it floats. Cool. So
Hey! Now I can straw. Now can steer a rocket.
cool. So where does gravity come from?
From space.
It comes from space.
This one is a
Where does space come from?
Daddy. Dark. This one
It comes from dark.
Uh-huh.
Where does the dark come from?
The space.
It comes from space?
Yeah,
Where does space come from?
Nowhere. Nowhere.
It comes from nowhere?
No.
Then it doesn't exist if it comes from nowhere.
I have to drive a little bit. You have to drive. Okay, drive.
If something comes from nowhere, it's nothing, yes?
Yes.
Hey, you're driving somewhere.
No.
Where are you driving?
We're flying.
Oh, flying.
Let me fly.
Where are you flying?
We're flying to Mars.
To Mars.
Alien. No.
Are you gonna meet some aliens there?
Yep.
How many?
100.
100 aliens.
No.
Ooh, how about it? Okay, so now everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Love you. Bye. Bye.